Father's Day. Barbecue rib. It looks so juicy. Check this out, folks. It's for Father's Day.
Yeah.
Rice.
What's on that?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
you just got table open now.
You bought your nail? That is pretty good.
Hả?
Hey, that's right here.
You didn't know slapping Joe the dollar.
I'm beer.
Yeah.
Nu no ya lên gì nu. Chị cũng có pu yo lu hamburger này nó cho cũng nó.
Joe she could.
Lu no ya lu Yoshi cứ chúng ta. Today is Father's Day. My wife made me a hamburger with sloppy Joe sauce. This is sloppy Joe sauce.
Sloppy Joe on the back.
What was that? What does that mean?
That means Sloppy Joe Honana.
Oh.
Sure. This guy. And then you have to edit that audio. Oh, that's more fresh
Okay, thank you.
ribs. What are you doing?
Should I bring the beef out?
Orange bit on me for the gouge?
It says
Look at that
2.5.
right there.
We've been wrapped in foil
我两杆子
for the last
to there.
3 hours.
Let's see a little longer. You give it that little crush on the outside. And flip it.
โอ้ลูกเขาหลับตา ป้าเหรอโซสลับอีก น่าป้าน้องป้าเห็นเล่นได้
What's
มา
my favorite movie?
ก็ถือให้บอกน้อง
Okay, come on, no. All right, easy.
I walk right move it all the time. Pineapple express. You know.
Oh my goodness.
Watching Pineapple Express.
Watching mine.
บอกข้าง
Come on.
ข้างเหรอจะ
Yeah, it tastes better than mayonnaise, mayo, and ketchup. This tastes way better.
Oh my god, just one solid cake in there first.
Thank you for watching. 我找一种朋友晒出来。